What's up, guys? I'm going to do an update here on markets for you, and then I'll do a day in the 100 on another coin here shortly. Um, so just I was just looking this morning at the majors here. You know, on these last two moves we've had, Litecoin is clearly it just had a lot more vol out of Litecoin. I mean, it was the cheapest down here, and then when it rallied, it outperformed on the rally. You know, we can see here that Bitcoin Cash continues to be the laggard. Um, so I think it's interesting that Litecoin's kind of taken over. Ethereum was trading really well prior to 3 weeks ago, and now Litecoin's kind of is catching my eye. If we check one more setting I have on here saved, I think it's this one. Yeah, depending on how we do this, let's look on the 4 hour time frame. I try to want to get it when they start on the left hand side of the chart together. You can just see that Bitcoin Cash is just completely the laggard. So we look at these individually versus BTC. This spans the time all the way back through December. I don't know how helpful that is actually. Let's see. Let's shorten up the time frame here. Go one more. Yeah. See, here we have all three of them pretty much together. Litecoin, Ethereum. See how like Ethereum was, it's a pretty good spread there between Ethereum and Litecoin right in here. And then just shows you how weak Bitcoin Cash has been really. I switched back over to the Mac here, guys, to do this video, and I don't remember how to use the drawing tool. Hmm. All right, we'll just have to talk through it. My mic issue has been absolutely horrible with Windows. It sounds perfectly fine on the Mac. You know, let's see. Coinergy. So what I was gonna say about the overall market, the majors, Bitcoin, is that we had another bounce right after new lows. Nothing's working today, and we still have not. This territory that we're in this morning is just a bounce to lower highs. So try to refresh this. Come on. All right, so did we hold in front of the 200 on Ethereum? Remains to be seen. We got the 8 coming into play here. So this is what I mean, these bounces to lower highs. We're not quite out of the woods like I was saying last night. All right, so nothing but lower highs. this is a lower low, and then a bounce to most likely another lower high, and then maybe we'll see. Maybe we'll put an inverse head and shoulders with a shoulder back here, back around like in 600 handle again. If we do, if we do just rally here above this pivot at 1,000, that's going to be a V bottom, and we won't have any higher low to really catch. So I haven't chased this bounce after kind of taking some risk off on some names on this new low. I want to see if we get one more pullback, and then I might nibble again. Um, but we're still in the process, to me, of making lower highs, and so to turn the intermediate term up, you guys know we need higher highs. It's going to be the same thing on Bitcoin. It's pretty much the same chart. It's nothing but lower highs here. We're right back at the bands. So if you guys bought well, like I said last night, I'd be taking some off. This 4-hour cycle is pretty high also. And then Litecoin actually has a double bottom. So you see Ethereum and Bitcoin V bottom so far. And in Litecoin we have a phase 2 higher low at a double bottom here. So there's the pivot. It's pretty clear at 170. If you get above that, you can see we're at this trend line too. Get above 170, you're going to be making a new higher high, and that's something that hasn't happened since the early part of January here on this move. So that'll be good to see. All right, guys, I got to do a couple other updates.